I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but ours are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like R&J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make beautiful memories effect like this on Filmora9.
Can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money.
So let's start the video. For more cool tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your music into timeline.
Can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way.
Now drag your first video into video timeline.
With money we don't know.
And drag your second video upper timeline of first video.
Hey, playing like children.
Drag your third video upper timeline of second video.
You were too good for me.
Drag your fourth video upper timeline of third video.
I always loved
And drag your last video upper timeline of fourth video.
even when you lived alone.
You can add more videos as many as needed with this same process.
To your old life, turn the page,
Now go to effects and search beautiful memories.
loving you over my head.
Now go to transition and add dissolve transition in second video and adjust like this. Remember, transition and the video below must be in one line.
You talk to me like
Apply same process in other video.
beautiful images everywhere. You take a,
Now add fade transition in last and first part of the video.
it makes my day.
Let's take some preview.
Yeah, playing. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty, playing like children and love like R&J. Always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone.
As you can see, our effect is done, but you can add a overlay for cinematic view. For this, go effect and search cinema 21:9 and drag into timeline. Our effect is done, so let's export our final project.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty, but hearts are full anyway. Hey. Playing like children and love like R&J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.
your parents' man.